All right, guys, well, we have made it to Miss Coach's birthplace, Junction City, Oregon, and we're coming to a great service place. It's called Premier RV Service, and they not only do service here, they store coaches, and actually our whole crew that came from Winnebago Country Coach across the street over there. Actually, that building is where our coach was painted when we did the remodel. And I don't even know what business that is anymore, but all our crew and everybody that worked with Winnebago Country Coach, many of them, all our key techs and everything responsible for our remodel and the build of our coach actually are over here at Premier RV now. We're going to give you a little tour of this place. It's just massive. And we're going to be here for about 5 days. We've got some odds and ends we got to get done and tuned up. And then we're going to get back on the road. And but we just love it here in this Oregon. The people are great service. And if you're looking for a coach, look up Premier RV Service in Junction City, Oregon, and they'll be more than glad to help you out. They just got awesome coaches, and they know what they're talking about when it comes to high quality coaches. So way in the back there is where we actually stay in our coach in the evening while they're not working on it. And right now they're getting a whole bunch of coaches ready to go into the showroom. Kristy and I were fortunate enough to take a look at this Magna, but personally I'm still in love with our Intrigue. We're just very fortunate to find that coach, being our first coach. I'll give you a quick shot here of the some of the storage area. Just massive. I think they have like over 200 plus coaches stored in this facility. I'm not going to go all the way in there because I'm not allowed to go in there, I don't think. This is the sales area. Right now they're moving a lot of coaches around and that stuff in their showroom, but there again, just massive place. And here I'll go in the lobby. This is the lounge area for their customers. I don't know if this is open, we'll see. Oh yeah, look at that. And who's in here? There she is. What are you doing? I'm taking video of the place. It's amazing how these guys handle these coaches. They're just... This is actually the old Monaco, believe it or not Country Coach, Monaco manufacturing plant building back in the day. There's Miss Coach in service. John and Brian are working on her today and yesterday, and I think she's going to go up on this chassis or lift and get work on for the new shocks and things. Look at this place, guys. It's huge. Look at all the coaches all in service right now. This is one massive building with a lot of inventory. Coach heaven here. So today our baby girl is getting new shoes all the way around. And this is our tire center that we use in Junction City. And great service. They got locations all over the western part of the United States. And we came all the way back to Oregon for this group because they were awesome. So we're just really excited to be back here and get the new shoes. Every 5 years we get these babies replaced, and it ain't cheap. $618 a piece. So, but we gotta have them. All right, there they are, all stacked up, ready to go. All right, back on the road. We're gonna go drop off our bikes for service now. Talk to you later. All right, so we just got our new tires put on. Everything is great. Took them about 4 hours to get it done. And now we're gonna head back over to Premier and get our coach finalized. and we're ready to go. So we're going to take a walk down to Miss Coach. I guess she's up on the hoist today, getting under chassis work. Oh, you can see her way in the distance there. And there is the man.
Hello, buddy.
So everybody, this is our good friend Steve Graham. He is the man behind our coach. He used to do all the service with our coach. He doesn't like us anymore now, so he's moved up in the world. He's just too advanced for our coach now.
Yeah.
So
Look at the garbage that working on. Good to see you, buddy.
Oh, I know, you too, pal.
We'll talk before you go.
Oh, I hope. And that's Gary. He's the main man. Vienna pot. And there's the girl. Wow. She's riding high today. Wow, very cool. All right, guys. Well, today is Saturday, and we're winding it up here at Premier RV Service. And we've been here since actually last Sunday. They started working on the coach on Monday. So they had it Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. They finished up yesterday. Friday was just some light stuff, getting the coach washed and that. So they took about 3 solid days to get her fine-tuned. Brand new shocks in the front of the coach and new windshield. We had to get the driver's side windows defogged. We got new sealant around the moldings of the whole coach. List goes on and on and on. But we're excited to get back on the road. We're going to go to Boardman Marina and RV Park on the Columbia River. It's about a 267-mile drive for us today. So we're going to take our time and enjoy our trip. We'll drive through up through Highway 5, going through Portland, and then Highway 84 that follows along on the Columbia River. This is, like I said, this is where it all started for us in Junction City. Our coach was born here, and all the guys who built our coach are still servicing the coaches. And we're excited to be back here, but we're excited to get back on the road. And until next time. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video and little inserts of things that are going on at this place. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.